Look, he's trying to do a silent one person, one plane pass by. Oh, we're just surveilling. We're so good. Protecting the community that we care so much about. The funny thing is he'll be quiet and then I'll talk some shit and he's like, ah! He goes back to being a 4-year-old in the plane and revs the shit out of it. Somehow he's still allowed to do this after fucking almost 2 years of this shit. Showed everyone for almost a year and a half. Crazy shit, far beyond this. But I have some videos of this same clown on the roof right across the street, yet he's still allowed to do this shit.